grateful for the opportunity to work with these kids and see these kids just in their day-to-day and be a part of that and to have a difference in the community.
Because of GlobeAware, we are able to bring hundreds of people to come to Thailand here in Chiang Dao, learn about the community, interact with all the children here, and for that I'm so thankful.
So we're so excited to be out here with GlobeAware, helping build these schools for the children. We're doing painting, we're laying down new pathways, building new bathrooms, water towers, a new worship center for them. It's just amazing to see the smiles on these kids' faces and the impact that GlobeAware is having here in Thailand.
So GlobeAware, it's been an amazing impact trip, being able to see the kids and to just know that the charity work that we're doing is making a huge difference and impact in their lives. Seeing their smiles, there's not much better than that.
These type of service opportunities are amazing. I think everybody needs to be lifted once in a while in their lives. And it's amazing to be God's hand in someone else's life. And thank you, GlobeAware, for giving us this opportunity.
It's been awesome working with GlobeAware. I mean, they're doing a lot for these kids. We got a lot of bodies out here putting these schools together, and it's just been great.
It's been awesome working with GlobeAware. It's great to give back to the kids and everything. It's just been awesome. I don't know if you guys got a chance to see what we're doing here, but what we're doing is amazing. Giving back is just making us feel really, really good about ourselves, and it's awesome.
It's been great here in Chiang Mai in Thailand with GlobeAware. We've had a lot of good time making the school. We built a wall yesterday. It's just great to be able to give back and help out the kids in the local hill tribe who are so giving. Like I mentioned that I liked someone's hat yesterday and he just offered it to me. You know, so it's like they're just so giving, and it's just great to give back to people like that.
I love the opportunity that GlobeAware has given us to work with these children and help them create a safe environment.
It is the only thing that ever has. And that is why you guys are so important. So thank you. And thank you to Holly and Vivint for continuing to let us do this. Thank you.